Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make these earrings. We would require the thread. I am using the cotton silk thread, some scissor and the hook of 2 mm. So let's begin. First of all, make a slip knot and a chain of 10. Now make a slip stitch and form the ring like this. In this round we'll make 10 single crochet stitch. 2, 3, 4, like this we'll complete 10 single crochet stitch. Now we'll make a slip stitch into a first stitch and we'll complete the round. And here we'll make first make 5 chain, 1 double crochet stitch into our first stitch and 2 chains. Now make another double crochet stitch into the stitch and then take 2 chains. Like this we'll complete 9 double crochet and the chain will be counted as a stitch. So 10 stitches will be in this round. So that's how it looks. Now make a slip stitch into the last stitch and just finish the round. Now we'll start making a new round. Here in the next round we are going to make 12 puff stitches in the chain space. So let's make a chain of 3 first and then make a puff stitch of 4 stitches into this chain space, yarn over 4 times and then pull it through all the loops including the chain like this. Now make a chain of 4 and place next puff stitches into the next chain space. Here we are making 5 stitches puff stitch. So we'll have to take the yarn 5 times and then pull it through all the loops including the chain like this. Make a chain and 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and now make another puff stitch into the next chain space. Make 12 puff stitches around the circle. Now we are done with 12 puff stitches. So now make a slip stitch into the first puff stitch and close the round like. So here now you can see our design is almost completed. So now to begin the next round, take the yarn in the middle of this chain space. So take a slip stitch in the middle of this chain stitch so that our thread will come in the center like this. Now make a chain of 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and join it with the slip stitch into the next chain space. make a slip stitch and join the chain. Now take another 6 chain stitches, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now join it with the slip stitch in the middle of next chain space. Following the same, we are going to make a chain of 6 and we are going to join it with the slip stitch in the middle of each chain space. This is how it looks. Now slip stitch in the last chain and join it. You can see now it's completed. Let's make the next round. In the next round we are going to make single crochet stitch in the each chain space. Like you can see, we are going to make a border, so place 7 single crochet stitch into each chain space and slip stitch into the middle stitch and join it, like you can see. Make another 7 single crochet stitch in this chain space, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Join it with the slip stitch. Following the same, complete the circle. This round is completed here, so we'll make a slip stitch and we'll complete the round. You can make another stitch to tie and cut the yarn. Now we are going to learn how to make a fringe. To make a fringe, I am wrapping this yarn around my finger. I wrapped it around almost 20 times. You can wrap it around according to the thickness you want. I made almost 20 rounds. This out and cut. I am inserting this into my design with the help of my hook. Like you can see, you can pull it through with the help of your hook in the middle of your design. Actually this one is the center of the design, so I am making fringe in the center of my design. And now we'll tie it with another thread. Tie it and make a knot. Our fringe application is done, our design is complete. Now you can insert the hook. I made one more earring, completed a pair of this earring set. Like you can see, you can complete these two. And now I'm gonna equal my fringe size. Like you can see, there are some uneven threads, so I'm gonna cut the extra threads and make it all of the same length, like you can see. You can keep the length of your fringe as per your choice. Now I'm gonna add the hooks and my earrings are completed. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you so much.